Find the greatest common factor of 36, 80, and 84. Oh, so this time we have to do three numbers. Now you can go ahead and list all the factors of 36, all the factors of 80 and 84, but I'm just going to do a prime factorization with Venn diagrams. It'll be a lot easier with three numbers. So 36, we'll do that one first. I know that's 6 times 6, and then each 6 is 2 times 3. So there's the prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. And then for 80, I know it's 8 times 10 makes 80. So this 8 can be 4 and 2. And then this 10 can be 2 and 5. And then this 4 reduces to 2 times 2. So we have 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 for 80. It's a lot of factors. Now for 84. I know that 2 goes in, and it makes 42. And like I say, you can use a calculator if you want. You can do out the division by hand. I'm just using mental math because I happen to know that 2 times 42 is 84, but use a calculator if you need help. It's definitely worth getting the problem right. Now 42 is 7 times 6, and 6 is 3 times 2. So we have 2, 7, 3, 2. Now we're going to have to make a Venn diagram with 3 circles. And this will be 36, this will be 84, and this will be 80. Let's look at 36. Are there any factors that 36 has that is unique just to 36? We have 2 and 3. And for 80, there's 2 and 5. And for 84, there's 2, 3, and 7. So there's nothing unique to just 36. Everything's going to be shared in one way or another, it looks like. Anything unique for the 80? It looks like 5 is unique. So I'm going to put the 5 in the part that's just for 80. And it looks like the rest are just 2, so we'll wait on that for now. 84 has a 7 by itself, so 7 goes here. Okay, now let's look back and see what else we have. We have a 2, and everybody has a 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2 right here in the middle for everybody. And that's going to use this 2, this 2, and you know what, we use this 5, and we use this 2, and the 7 is gone already. Might be easier to keep track by crossing things out. Okay, what else do we have? We have this 3. 80 doesn't have a 3, but 84 does. So it's going to be a 3 shared between the 84 and the 36. So I'm going to put a 3 right here. And those used up, and that's used up. Okay, now there's another 2, and this 2 is in common with the 80, but not with the 84. Oh, actually, there is one with the 36, the 80, and the 84. So I'm going to put another 2 here in the middle. So that uses that 2, and that 2. Okay, the factors for 84 are all used up. For 36, there's one more 3. This 80 doesn't have a 3. So now this 3 is going to be all by itself for the 36. And this 2 is already used up. So the 80 just has 2 2's by itself. So I'm going to put 2 and then 2. Okay, so there are a lot of numbers here in this Venn diagram, and we want the greatest common factor for all 3. Now, the only thing that's in common for all 3 numbers is 2 times 2 here in the very middle. Now, there are some other numbers that are shared amongst 2 numbers, let's say like this 3 right here between the 36 and the 84, and this 2 right here between the 80 and the 84. But we want something shared by all 3, and that's just these 2's right here. So the greatest common factor of all 3 numbers is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so there's your greatest common factor, and here's how you can use a Venn diagram to find the greatest common factor of all 3 numbers.